Just walking down downtown Atlanta. Been here for a week, and what a great trip it's been. Joining PRSSA was one of the greatest things I could have done for my career. Not only did it give me the opportunity to make connections with people all around the country, but it helped me discover who I really am and where I want to go with my career. I'm just a kid from a small town in Wyoming. I didn't understand the opportunities that PRSSA would give me as I was developing in my career. I'm grateful for the chance to go to Atlanta. To begin your journey with us, join us on Facebook and on Twitter at UVU PRSSA. To learn more about what I do and my experience in Atlanta, check out my blog at joshbird.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching.